Hey everyone! Today we're talking about how to make a six-figure income as a digital marketer. Digital marketing is a lucrative field and offers a variety of opportunities to earn big bucks. 20 ways to make six-figure income as a digital marketer. So, let's dive in and explore 20 ways to make a six-figure income in the field of digital marketing. Number 1. Freelancing. You can offer your digital marketing services as a freelancer and earn a high hourly rate based on your experience and skills. Number 2. Social media management. You can offer social media management services to businesses and earn a substantial income. Number 3. Content marketing. You can specialize in creating high-quality content for businesses to drive traffic and sales. Number 4. Search engine optimization, SEO. You can specialize in SEO and help businesses rank higher on search engines. Number 5. Email marketing. You can offer email marketing services to businesses and help them reach and engage their audience through email. Number 6. Influencer marketing. You can work with influencers and help brands promote their products through influencer marketing campaigns. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. You can become an affiliate marketer and earn a commission for promoting products or services. Number 8. PPC advertising. You can specialize in pay-per-click advertising and help businesses drive traffic and sales through ads. Number 9. E-commerce marketing. You can specialize in e-commerce marketing and help online businesses drive sales and revenue. Number 10. Video marketing. You can specialize in video marketing and help businesses create and distribute engaging videos to reach their target audience. Number 11. Mobile marketing. You can specialize in mobile marketing and help businesses reach and engage their mobile audience. Number 12. Event marketing. You can offer event marketing services to businesses and help them promote and market their events. Number 13. Local SEO. You can specialize in local SEO and help local businesses rank higher in local search results. Number 14. Marketing automation. You can specialize in marketing automation and help businesses automate their marketing tasks. Number 15. Web design and development. You can offer web design and development services and help businesses create and improve their websites. Number 16. Landing page optimization. You can specialize in landing page optimization and help businesses optimize their landing pages for conversions. Number 17. Analytics and data analysis. You can specialize in analytics and data analysis and help businesses make data-driven decisions. Number 18. Digital marketing training and consulting. You can offer digital marketing training and consulting services and help businesses improve their digital marketing strategies. Number 19. Digital product creation. You can create and sell your own digital products, such as e-books, online courses, and more. Number 20. Agencies. You can start your own digital marketing agency and offer a variety of digital marketing services to businesses. So, there you have it. 20 ways to make a six-figure income as a digital marketer. Whether you want to freelance, start your own agency, or specialize in a specific area of digital marketing, the opportunities are endless. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next video.